Today's news, 23rd June 2020. Good morning, I Kanchan Bhati, news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here I bring you latest updated news from around the world. The WHO reported a record increase in global coronavirus cases on Sunday, with the total rising by 183,020 in 24-hour period. The biggest increase from North and South America, 116,000 new cases. Talking about his marriage with Sania Mirza, Pakistan cricketer Sohaib Malik said, "If you love someone and get married to that person, that should be all that matters, regardless of which country you come from." He added, "I am a cricketer, not a politician." Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain, who is undergoing treatment for coronavirus, has been shifted to the general ward from ICU following improvement in his health. The national carrier of Bangladesh, Biman Bangladesh Airlines, resumes its international flights operations on Sunday after a 3-month gap due to COVID-19. It departed for London with 187 passengers on board. The number of deaths from coronavirus in Brazil crossed to 50,617 on Sunday, making it the second country after the US where the death toll has crossed the 50,000 mark. Brazil Health Minister said the total number of COVID-19 cases in the country stood at 10,85,038 cases. Spain reopened its borders as COVID-19 state of emergency ends. Bhushan Kumar used to tell me, "Save me from Abu Salim," Sonu Nigam. Due 2020, admission form has been released on 20th July for UG and PG courses. MPhil, PhD candidates can fill their application form online through the websites due.ac.in. Registrations will be open until July 4th, and the entire process will be online this year. The merit list will be declared after the announcement of CBSE results. The Undertaker announces retirement from WWE, saying he has no intention to stepping back into the WWE ring. Sports can help win battle against coronavirus pandemic. I can say just 45 minutes of exercise improvement for everyone, PV Sindhu said. India has reported 4,25,282 COVID-19 cases. I Kanchan Bhati will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.